picked the Lincoln up from the Blain builders and see it completely done. Check in when we get there.
Oh, sweet, man. Nice Lincoln, man.
Thanks.
Like that. Yeah. What's going on, man? Yeah, just got a lot of work here, buddy. Sure you're going to be able to squeeze me in here? We'll figure it out. All right. All right. I like this Lincoln, man. Seriously, I'm digging this thing, man.
Say it's for sale if you want it. I'm definitely tired of spending money on it.
Yeah, I mean,
Looks you'll see video.
yeah, exactly. That's why I'm kind of impressed with that. Ford motor in it, right?
Yep.
How long did you get here? About 45 minutes?
Yeah.
Yeah, once this one's done, there's going to be another one.
Yeah.
I want to do something like drag and drive stuff.
You remember that one time we were at the track together? You were bullshitting with me that one day.
It's been a lot of people.
Nah, that one day I remember you. We were talking. We were sitting there. We were bullshitting. We were at one of the events. We were talking. I'm remembering you now. It's nice, man.
It's definitely about time it's come this far.
Yeah, it's fucking. I'm digging it, dude. Seriously, for fucking Lincoln.
It's not the first.
How long? That's all right. How long have you owned the car for?
About 7 years.
7 years.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's a guy in Lansing that I've surpassed him now, but he was like the go-to, like all the inspiration.
I got you.
Like that car, I don't think has ever run.
Right.
Like I've never even met the guy.
Really?
Like he was on. I've only ever seen him on the Bullet. Like he would come and go like once or twice a year.
Somebody just passed away, man. Who was that that just passed away, man? I just heard someone on Motown, actually. On Motown Bus, I forgot the dude's name.
I saw that too, and I forget.
I forgot
I don't think it was someone that was like that everybody knew, but it was
Yeah.
like a
Right.
decently known type of
Right,
guy.
right. Wow, this is, those are what, Edelbrock Victor Juniors, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's essentially a Victor Jr. top end.
Yeah.
Like it's way too small.
It's way too small.
But at the same time, it's a turbo car, so it doesn't. It
Right.
matters and it doesn't matter.
You're from like Elmont, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So you got a little bit of drive.
Yeah. Those guys, yeah, a little bit. Those guys would be done tough with, what's his face, Nick.
Right. So back home, car's in the garage again. Need to put the belts back on. Gonna get a 1-wire alternator to clean that up. IDC fuel system's done. Turbo's all in place. I need to do radiator hoses. Wire the motor up again. Well, not really again, but finish wiring it up. Need to plumb the water lines for the intercooler. Need to do a catch can. But brakes are done completely. It's all stainless lines. I haven't taken anything out of the car yet, but shifter mounts all made. Got that where it feels good for me. So clean the car out and then run the reattach wiring. I have to wire the trans brake in and bump box in. Put the dash back in, but all the tin work is done. And they even did the tin work in the trunk. Oh, you can't really see, it's too dark in here, but tin work's done. Gotta make a composite deck lid because that thing's way too heavy. Oh, and that box is the Team Z seat mounts. So I'm going to cut those up and make them work with the through floors. But the car is done. Well, it's done for paying someone to do it. There's not much left to do. Except just, to do it. So I need to buy a heater for the garage. The last garage had a furnace in it, which is amazing. This garage has nothing for heat, so I gotta go get a little heater. And then once I have a heater, I can actually start working in here again. So hopefully this spring, it's running.